The watchmaker who stopped time. In a village cradled by silence, lived an old watchmaker, grey and wise. He spent a lifetime crafting his magnum opus, a golden timepiece with the power to freeze time itself. One afternoon, watching his granddaughter's laughter dance in the sunlight, he pressed the button. The world fell still. The laughter hung suspended in the air. Birds froze mid-flight at first. It was absolute perfection. But soon, the silence grew heavy. Laughter without sound is but a ghost. The sun refused to set, and the flowers forgot how to bloom. It was then he understood. Without the promise of tomorrow, the magic of now simply withers away. He set the gears in motion once more. As time began to flow, he smiled, watching the moment gently slip away, for he finally knew beauty exists only because it has an end. Moral of the story: life is exquisite because it is fleeting. Do not spend your days trying to chain the past. Instead, cherish the present while it still breathes.